What's up guys, it's Emily. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup look for you guys. I'm actually going to be doing one of my actually favorite movies, Saw, but I'm going to be doing the Jigsaw character. I really wanted to do this. I had other ideas to do, but I went to the store, they didn't have certain colors, things like that. I wanted to do Joker, I wanted to do Beetlejuice, I had a lot of ideas, but it came down to Jigsaw. So we're gonna do Jigsaw. My arm is hurting because I got my vaccination, so if I move a little slow, it's just because my arm is hurting. But also, I want to say happy Halloween weekend. I'm filming this 2 days before Halloween, so have a happy Halloween, guys. Have a safe Halloween, and get all the candy. Be safe. No drinking and driving. Things like that. Have a happy Halloween, because this is my favorite time of year. I'm staying in, probably watching movies, and just chilling at home. Maybe give out candy to the kids, but that's really it from my part. But yeah, before I get started, leave a like, a comment, and let me know down below what you guys think of this makeup look. This will be up probably tomorrow, a day before Halloween, and I actually have a super special Halloween makeup look getting posted on Halloween day, so you're getting 2 videos this weekend. So prepare for that, because I'm so excited for you guys to see Sunday's makeup look. I did it a couple days ago, so I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I really worked hard on it, and I just feel like it deserves to be seen on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get this started. First, tie my hair back. That's the main thing. I'm going to put in a small bun. Make sure every piece of hair is off my face, because we're going in with some cream makeup, and then we're going to set it with the James Charles palette. So my arm is killing me, guys. If you got the COVID vaccination, oh my god, I haven't felt pain like this in a minute. I just like feel really weak and tired, a little temperature. So we're gonna go in with some white. Now I know he's not fully white, he looks like grayish like, but the white will definitely pull the look together. We gotta put more than that. It's not even getting really visible. And believe it or not, guys, Jigsaw and Jason is like one of my favorite characters. I've watched every Jigsaw movie, the Saw movies. And if you guys are wondering, I'm looking in my mirror. Just letting you guys know, so you guys are not confused what I'm looking at. Yeah, so I watched every Saw movie. As gory as it is, it's so worth it. Now, I want you guys to take a guess what Sundays for officially Halloween, what makeup look did I do? And why am I so excited? So take your guesses down in the comments. I'm going to take my glasses off because we got to start going upwards. This is actually better white than I thought. Like, it's not white, but it's doing the job. I got this from Walmart for like 98 cents. Halloween makeup is so expensive, guys, but this is such a thing that I'm so passionate about that I don't mind spending it, because I've been using the same latex and everything for the last few years. So I'm not really doing harm by spending a couple dollars on something I love to do. If that makes sense. Gotta get the whole face white. Oh, I look like a ghost. Next year I have already ideas of what I'm doing, so I'm super stoked for that. I'm like trying to get every part of my eye. Alright, now we're gonna go over layers of it. Just make it really, let's go down the neck. And guys, when you're putting the cream makeup on your face, I know it looks like iffy at first, but you just gotta keep hitting at it with makeup. when I used to do this type of makeup before, I never knew to use a beauty blender and like see how much easier it is. It's insane. Now obviously I'm not going to cover every part, but I'm trying to get every part of my upper, from my neck up, basically. As much pain as I am in. I was going to not even do anything because I have a look for Sunday, but I wanted to give you guys at least 2 videos for this Halloween weekend, so that's what I'm doing. Dedication to my supporters. Alright, go back to the forehead. Now I'm going to mix, when I go to the James Charles palette, I'm going to mix like black and white to set the look. Because believe it or not, you have to set this makeup, to be honest. Alright, let me put my glasses on so I can see real quick. Oh my god, I look really scary. My pores are showing. That's great. We love that for me. It's not like going on the way I would like, which is aggravating my soul, but okay. We could go over the lips, that's alright guys. Alright, coolios. So now we're going to go in with the James Charles palette. Like I said, he's not fully white. So we're going to go in with this big fluffy brush and just set the makeup. Okay, this brush is not doing justice. I'm going to have to clean my brushes after this from all the Halloween looks I did. My makeup's not looking right. And like I said, guys, your makeup for Halloween does not have to be perfect. I know a lot of people think that, but it really, really, truly doesn't. It just has to look reasonable, to look cute, to take pictures. But it does not have to look 100%. Because in the end, guys, it's just Halloween and you're supposed to be having fun. I went to the wrong side. Silly me. I want like my neck to look fully white, but it's not coming out the way I want. For 98 cents, it's doing what it needs to do at least. As long as I set my face, and then we're going to contour my face with black, which is going to be super fun to do. It's just with these type of makeup looks, guys, you really have to have a lot of patience, and taking it off is like the most annoying part of it, to be honest. But I got some yellow on it by accident. Alright, let me see how I look. I look like really, really scary. Where's the ghost? It's fine that it looks this way because his makeup obviously wasn't perfect. He has like a lot of cracks in his face and things like that. So I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender on the other end, the butt part of it. And I'm just going to pat the parts that I feel like is too visible for my likings. But yeah, I love the Jigsaw movie. I keep calling it the Jigsaw movie. It's, what is it called? Saw. Alright. Alright, cool. So, now that we got the whole white going on, I'm going to, fix my shirt. Let it set into my skin, and then we're going to jump into contouring and all that good. So now we're going to go in with the black, which I got this like little contour brush, and I'm just going to contour my nose with the black. And guys, don't worry, we're going to blend and all that good stuff. He does have cracks on his face and things like that, so we're going to see where that goes. I just want his skin like to look a little darker, well, my skin to look a little darker, so we get like what we need, you know. So now we're gonna go under the chin, just splot certain parts. Alright, coolios. So now we're gonna use my blending brush. Where's my blending brush? I have so many brushes, it's insane. Alright, we'll just use this one. The one I wanted is not appearing. Put my glasses on. So, the one I wanted, because it blends so much better. So we're just gonna blend out my face. Like I said, guys, it does not need to look perfect. The better it looks messy, the better it's gonna come out. Believe it or not. So just go in circular motions, just like that. Now we're going to go to the nose, put these brushes away. Actually, I'm going to need this brush for my eyes. Alright. Let me see this, how this looks. Perfect. Like I said, guys, we want that contrast type of look. So now we're going to go in with another brush, which is probably going to be this one, and we're just going to go in with more white for the nose, just so it has more definition to it, and it shows a little more. And then we're going to go back to the cheeks, under the eyes, all that good stuff. The white. Now, it may seem like I'm trying to make this look perfect, but I'm just trying to bring in the white back a little bit so it looks cleaned up, basically. Oi, poke my eye. Alright, cool. So now that my face looks set, it looks good. I really like how it's coming out. Like I said, guys, it does not have to look perfect. I just want to make that clear. So now I'm just going to go in with some black eyeshadow and just basically put it all over my eye. I don't know if I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm probably gonna though. And I'm definitely doing lashes to get this like spooky but girly type of look. So now we did the eyeshadow. We're gonna blend away because blending is important, guys. Believe it or not. All right, where's my blending brush? It just literally had it. I put it right in the front so it was easy to grab. And obviously, it's gone. Oh, it's right here. All right. So now we're going to blend away. Let me know down in the comments, guys, what are you being for Halloween? Because I really want to know, like, what are you guys being? Obviously, I'm not being anything, but I just do my makeup for the fun of it. So now that I blended that, we're gonna make it like a smoky-like eye, where we're going to go in with that black again and just bring this down. If that makes sense. Alright. Go back into blending. More definition. Oh, I love that. Okay. I didn't think that was going to look good, but usually when I do smoky eye, for some reason, it looks ridiculously messy for some reason. So now, we're done with the eyes. I totally forgot, guys, but I completely forgot to do my eyebrows. We have to have eyebrows for this look. So I'm going to have to bring my mirror closer. Alright, we're going to go in with the black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. And just give it some... I go very lightly in with it. Sorry, guys. Just to give it my shade back, basically. Go in with the next eyebrow. I look like a zombie. Low-key. Alright. Okay, the eyebrows are done. Perfect. We love that. So I'm going to jump off camera, do my eyeliner and eyeshadow. My eyelashes. And then I'm going to be... I tried to the best of my ability. So now I'm going to go in with this. And I'm just going to give it some definition with some eyeshadow. Let's see if I have another brush that's like bingo. That one looks like a little dirty for some reason. Alright. Just trying to make it look... Yeah, I'm gonna need the other one. Just to give it more, and then... Guys, like I said, I tried my best with this look. My Halloween look, oh my god, it's insane. I'm so excited for that. Like, you guys don't understand how stoked I am. I think it looks pretty good for an attempt to... I always have trouble with the circle though for some reason. Alright, this one, it looks smaller than this one, but whatever, it doesn't matter. So now I'm going to go in with my blending brush and just blend away. Blend away. Cool. So now I actually wanted to make like a clown. Not a clown. What am I talking about? Like I wanted to like look like a puppet. Because he is a puppet. You feel me? So I'm gonna I do have red lipstick, but I also got to go in with the black, which I'm probably going to use the eyeliner for the puppet things. So now I'm going to close the red, so not get that everywhere. So I'm going to go in with my red lipstick. It's here. Where's my red lipstick? Oh, right here. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the puppet strings for the lip. I actually love how this honestly came out. Like, it came out better than I expected, to be honest. So I'm going to go in with more white for my upper lip because some of the paint came off. So we're going to go in with some white and go in with the paint again. It's just about going in, fixing, guys. Where's my beauty blender? Oh, my arm hurts so bad. I have a good tolerance for pain though, to be honest. It's just... and go back in with the white right on top. Alright guys, what do you guys think? I honestly really like it. I look like a dang puppet, but I love how it came out. The circles, like I said, was the most difficult part for me, but I think it came out pretty good for looking like Jigsaw. Like I said, I'm no crazy makeup artist. Like, I'm still learning. I'm still at my beginning stages of this, but I love how this came out. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, a comment, and let me know down below what you guys think of this. Let me know what you're being for Halloween, and like I said, have a happy Halloween weekend, and stay safe, no drinking and driving, all the good stuff, and enjoy this weekend, but not too much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.